Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring 5 of the best dash cams on the market, built for clear footage, smart features, and reliable protection on every drive. From ultra-compact stealth recorders to dual-channel 2K powerhouses, these cameras are designed for drivers who demand peace of mind and crystal-clear evidence when it matters most. Whether you're commuting daily, road tripping across the country, or simply protecting your parked vehicle, these dash cams deliver performance and technology like no other. Let's get started. Number 5, Vantrue E1 Lite. The Vantrue E1 Lite proves that great protection doesn't need to come in a big package. This compact, stealthy dash cam captures full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second through a wide 160-degree lens, giving you a broad, clear view of everything ahead without obstructing your sightline. Its HDR technology automatically balances exposure between bright and dark areas, so you get sharp, legible footage whether you're driving through a sun-drenched highway or a dimly lit parking garage at night. Built-in GPS with satellite syncing logs your speed, location, and route in real time, essential data for insurance claims or incident reviews. The onboard Wi-Fi connects directly to the Vantrue app on your iOS or Android device for live streaming, settings adjustments, and quick video downloads. Hands-free multilingual voice control lets you lock footage, take photos, mute audio, and toggle Wi-Fi, all without lifting a finger off the wheel. For parking detection modes keep your car protected around the clock, and the supercapacitor design ensures reliable operation in extreme heat and cold where traditional batteries fail. The magnetic assist mount makes installation and removal effortless, making this an ideal choice for anyone wanting premium features at a budget-friendly price. The Vantrue E1 Lite retails for approximately $80. Number 4, Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 redefines what it means to be discreet, fitting into the palm of your hand while packing in a surprisingly complete feature set. Roughly the size of a car key fob, this ultra-compact camera mounts invisibly behind your rear-view mirror and continuously records in sharp 1080p Full HD with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, delivering crisp detail day and night. The 140-degree wide-angle lens captures a broad field of view, and the built-in G-sensor automatically saves critical footage before, during, and after any detected collision without any manual action required. Built-in Wi-Fi connects to the free Garmin Drive app, where saved clips automatically upload to Garmin's secure online vault for easy viewing and sharing from your phone. The voice control system responds to spoken commands to save videos, take photos, and start or stop audio recording, a smart, hands-free solution for safer driving. The parking guard feature monitors your vehicle for incidents while it's parked, alerting you via the app if anything suspicious is detected. Its supercapacitor design means there's no battery to degrade in high heat, and the Dash Cam Auto Sync feature lets you manage footage from up to 4 Garmin cameras simultaneously. For drivers who want maximum stealth and Garmin's legendary reliability in one tiny package, the Mini 2 is hard to beat. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 retails for approximately $130. Number 3, Nextbase 522 GW. The Nextbase 522 GW is a feature-rich dash cam that sets itself apart from the crowd with an impressive combination of image quality, smart safety technology, and premium usability. Recording in crisp 1440p at 30 frames per second or smooth 1080p at 60 frames per second, it delivers sharp, highly detailed footage backed by a Sony StarVis sensor that excels in varying light conditions. The large 3-inch color touchscreen on the rear makes setup and playback effortless, while the built-in polarizing filter rotates to reduce windshield glare and reflections, a feature rarely seen at this price point. Integrated GPS records your precise speed and location alongside every clip, providing airtight evidence for any insurance dispute. The Nextbase 522 GW also brings Amazon Alexa directly into your vehicle, allowing you to play music, check the weather, set reminders, and more through simple voice commands. Its standout emergency SOS feature is a potential lifesaver. If a serious impact is detected and the driver is unresponsive, the system can alert emergency services and share your GPS location automatically. Connectivity is handled via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to the My Nextbase Connect app, enabling wireless video transfer, cloud storage, and live view access. The camera also supports optional rear and interior camera modules for expanded coverage. For drivers who want advanced safety features alongside excellent video quality, the 522 GW is a compelling choice. The Nextbase 522 GW retails for approximately $200. Number 2, Viofo A229 Plus. The Viofo A229 Plus is a dual-channel powerhouse that refuses to compromise, delivering 2K QHD resolution from both its front and rear cameras simultaneously, a benchmark rarely matched in this price range. Powered by dual Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensors, this dash cam offers 2.5 times the dynamic range and 2.5 times the light sensitivity of previous generation sensors, resulting in dramatically cleaner footage with reduced motion blur and noise even on dark, poorly lit roads. HDR technology ensures both front and rear cameras handle challenging lighting intelligently, balancing bright headlights against dark backgrounds to keep license plates and road details visible at all times. The A229 Plus is equipped with an ultra-precise quad-mode GPS module supporting GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS satellites, giving you highly accurate speed, location, and time data for every journey. Upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast, smooth video downloads and live previews through the Viofo app, while 12 hands-free voice commands keep your attention where it belongs, on the road. 3 intelligent parking modes, including a buffered auto event detection that saves 15 seconds before and after any incident, ensure your car is protected even when unattended. A durable supercapacitor handles extreme temperatures with ease, and the system supports microSD cards up to 512 GB for extended recording capacity. For those who want professional-grade dual-channel performance without a premium price tag, the A229 Plus stands in a class of its own. The Viofo A229 Plus retails for approximately $190. Number 1, Garmin Dash Cam 57. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 is the gold standard of front-facing dash cams, combining Garmin's legendary navigation expertise with a compact, refined design and an impressive suite of intelligent features. Recording at a sharp 1440p resolution through a 140-degree wide-angle lens with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, this pocket-sized camera delivers outstanding daytime footage with rich color, excellent detail, and minimal lens distortion. A built-in GPS logger stamps every recording with precise location, speed, date, and time data, making it an invaluable companion for insurance claims and incident disputes. The magnetic low-profile mount is one of the easiest and most elegant in the industry, allowing you to install or swap the camera between vehicles in seconds without tools. Voice control is activated by saying "OK Garmin," letting you save footage, take photos, and control audio recording hands-free and effortlessly. The parking guard feature monitors your vehicle for impacts while parked, with the Garmin Drive app alerting you to any detected incidents and even enabling remote live view monitoring. Incident footage is automatically uploaded via Wi-Fi to Garmin's secure online vault for convenient cloud storage and sharing. Driver assistance alerts for forward collision, lane departure, and speed cameras add an extra layer of situational awareness to every drive. The Travel Apps feature condenses hours of road footage into shareable highlights, and the Dashcam Auto Sync lets you manage up to 4 Garmin cameras simultaneously from one app. With its thoughtful design, class-leading reliability, and comprehensive feature set backed by a trusted brand name, the Garmin Dash Cam 57 earns its spot at the top of any dash cam list. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 retails for approximately $230.